Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did an intro earlier, but I didn't realize that my microphone wasn't even plugged in. So the first like 3/4 of the video is gonna be a voiceover, and I'm so sorry about that. I didn't realize. I honestly had no idea that, because it's plugged in, it's just I guess I didn't put it to the right setting. So if you want to see this no makeup look, then definitely keep on watching. I did use like my regular products, I just didn't put that much on, and you can barely tell that I have any makeup on. Like you can see that I did my eyebrows, and you could probably tell like I have mascara on, but that's all you can really tell. I am wearing foundation, and I did contour a little bit. I did put blush on, I put highlighter on. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so to prime, I'm going to use my Smashbox Photofinish primer water. Got into my mouth, and my Fenty Pro Filt'r primer. Just going to blend that out. And I'm going to be using my Dior Backstage foundation in 7.5W and blend that out. I suck at these, so I'm sorry that I had to do one. I didn't realize that my mic was off, like I said earlier. I wish you could see what I was jamming out to. So now I'm just going to put concealer on my eyes just to hide the hyperpigmentation that I have on there. And to set my face, I'm going to be using my Mercier medium deep powder. And I think that's my E36 brush from Morphe. If I'm wrong, I'll just correct it in the description box. And to contour my face, I use the It's My Ray Ray and BH Cosmetics collab. And I use Brownie Bite, and I don't remember what the other color was called. I'm so sorry. I'll have a link down in the description though. And for blush, I'm using my e.l.f. blush palette in dark. It's broken, so I can't really show you. And here comes the part where I realized my mic wasn't on this whole time. Is this dead? You want it? Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. I just realized that my microphone wasn't working. So the first part is going to be a voiceover. I didn't... Oh, this sucks so much. But I'm just filling in my eyebrows, and I'm making it look as natural as possible, because you don't want it to seem like you're wearing that much makeup, or you may want it to look like you're not even wearing any makeup. So I'm just making it look like I actually have eyebrows. As you can see, I barely have any. So I'm just gonna fill it in. I'm using my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So I'm just gonna set my eyelids since I didn't do that earlier. Personally, I would go in with a winged liner, but I think that's just too much for a no makeup look. So I'm just gonna go straight into mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara, my favorite mascara at the moment. Oh, I have to curl my lashes, because if not, they'll look so ugly. So I'm gonna curl my lashes and then put the mascara on. And for the lower lashes, I'm going to go into my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. Just put a little bit because I always manage to get mascara onto my under eyes. I probably just got some on there. So now we're going to move on to highlight, and I think, let's see, I don't know what highlight I want to use. No, that's too much. I think I'm just going to go into my ABH Sun Dip Glow Kit and use bronzed. And I'm going to be using this Morphe E61 brush. I'm not going to put too much because you want to look like you have a natural glow. I look like I'm not even wearing makeup. This is so weird. So now we're going to move on to lips. I'm going to be using my NYX Espresso. Oh, this is Annabelle. My Annabelle Espresso lip liner. Gonna go into this NYX Butter Gloss in Gingersnap and just put a tiny bit. That's the finished look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. I'm trying to get to 250 subscribers by the end of this month. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. Leave any comments down below for any back to school video suggestions. And I'm also going to be having a back to school giveaway. It's the first time I'm doing one. So yeah, stay tuned for my next videos. I'll talk to you guys later.